It's your fault and it's alright, I'm not dangerous. When you're mine, I'll be generous. You're irreplaceable, a collectible, just like fine China. Took me a while to find your love. Ain't no amount of time in this world. Save me a lot of time and just love me. Feel it, baby, feel it in your soul. Are you ready? I know your heart been telling you you belong to me. I know, it's alright. I'm not dangerous. When you're mine, I'll be generous. You're irreplaceable, collectible, just like
We hit the club, niggas cops full of jealous. We in the bag and we mugging the deal. And I'm with a bad bitch and I got in the deal. Oh yeah, I'm still saying this bitch knows like Lindsay Lohan. She gets down just like Lindsay Lohan. Burn the blood, she's not throwing shots. That bitch bad, watch her blow. It's the way. She gets away. She wasn't on a run, now she want on a runner. You see the dark skin girls with a light skin crew. Yeah, I wish to you, but she the light skin girl with a light skin crew. Y'all know what I do, I'm still saying this bitch knows like Lindsay Lohan. She gets down just like Lindsay Lohan. Round the block, she's not throwing shots. That bitch bad, watch her blow. It's the way. Every time, when she gets away. I love
every minute, man, I swear that she can get it. Saying if you a bad bitch, put your hands up high. Hands up high, hands up high. Tell them dim the lights down right now, put me in the mood. I'm talking about dark room perfume. Go, go.
I recognize your fragrance, hold up, you ain't never gotta say shit, and I know your taste is a little bit, high maintenance, everybody else basic, you live life on an everyday basis, with poetic justice, poetic justice. If I told you that a flower bloomed in a dark room, would you trust it? I mean, I write poems in these songs, dedicated to you when you're in the mood for empathy, is blood in my pen, better yet for your friends and them. I really wanna know you all, I really wanna show you off. Fuck God, pour up plenty of champagne. Cold nights when you curse this name. You called up your girlfriends and your girl in that little bitty range. I heard that she wanna go and party. She wanna go and party. Nigga, don't approach her with that Atari. Nigga, that ain't good game, homie. Sorry, they say conversation rule a nation. I can tell, but I could never right my wrongs unless I write it down for real. P.S. You can get it, you can get it, you can get it.
I'll be going down.